Maybe we're not alone. UFO sightings in Canada doubled last year to just under 2,000 reports. Stephen Puddicombe has the details from one place where something strange was spotted.
The 2012 UFO survey done out of Winnipeg, Manitoba has a surprising result. There was more sightings than ever before in the history of the survey. There were 1,981 UFO sightings reported in the country last year, about 5 a day. That's more than twice the number of reports in 2011 when there was 986. Now, the number of cases in 2012 completely eclipses all previous records for the highest reports in 1 year, which was 1,004 in 2008.
It turns out that it was just a matter of that all the sources seem to reply that they had an increase in the number of UFO reports. So it's something across the board. People in Canada were actually looking up into the sky more often than in the previous year.
Ontario had more than 40% of sightings, but that's mainly because their population is so large. In 2012, about 7.5% of all UFO reports were judged to be unexplained. The percentage dropped from 11% the year before. Typical UFO sighting lasted about 15 minutes, and there were all kinds of shapes, sizes, and lights seen in the air, many of which could be explained. But again, 7.5% couldn't be.